A lot of people ask me which spray mask to use for custom painting. That is my mask, the mask body, a 3M mask. And you need minimum an A2 filter, an active charcoal filter to filter all the solvents and the colors. And you need also a particle filter like this, minimum P2, my one is P3, which is better. And you need these caps to mount the particle filters onto the active charcoal filters. So let's mount these filters onto the spray mask. And that's very simple. Use the active charcoal filter and the particle filter. Put it onto the onto the active charcoal filter, and then mount them with these caps. And now you have a bayonet on the spray mask and you can click them in, like so. And you're ready to go.